Part 16, Distance Time Graphs. You will find this on page 158 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, Y equals mx plus c to success. Distance time graphs. Ruan rides with his bike to school. Leaving home, he rides along to his friend's house. There he waits a few minutes for his friend. They then ride on together to school. When he arrives at school, he realizes he has forgotten something at home and rides back home. The graph represents the journey. So, to school, waiting for his friend, going further to school, and then from school back home to fetch something. So, how long did he wait for his friend? So, basically, if you look at the graph, he was waiting from there to there. Now, let's just see. The first unit is 5. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. So, every block is counting 1 minute. So, it's 1, 2, 3 minutes. He's waiting for 3 minutes. Okay. What was the speed in kilometers per minute of the first part of his journey? So, it's from there to there. Okay. So, speed is distance divided by time. So, what was the distance? It was there. Now, again, it's 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. So, basically, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So, the distance is 3 kilometers. Okay. And the time is 2 minutes. And if I divide it, it's 1.5 kilometers per minute. Okay. I want you to do try now 20. You can stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Let's just move it up a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm going to start. Try now 20. And I'm going to start with number A. The graph shows a journey by car from Otjiwarongo to Utawi. Okay, so basically, this is Otjiwarongo and this is Utawi. Okay, the time is the time of the day, so it's 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Now, let's just find the scales. It's always good to first determine your scales. So that is 1 hour, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So what does it mean? 1 hour, which is 60 minutes, divide by 4, and that's 15 minutes. That is just meaning that this is 15 minutes, this is 30 minutes, this is 45, and there's the 1 hour. Okay, let's look at this one is 20 kilometers. So basically 20 divided by 2, so every block will be 10. So that's 10. No, it's a bit too low. Let's just go a little bit higher. Still too low. So that's 10 kilometers, that's 20 kilometers. Okay, now we can start. If we look at the first one, and we are asking you, how far is it from Otjiwarongo to Utawi? Oh, so basically, from Otjiwarongo to Utawi, it's approximately 100 kilometers. Can you see? Look there. So let's just write it down. So actually, A is 100 kilometers. Okay. The next one. How far is it from Padstal to Utawi? So Padstal is at 40 and Utawi is at 100. So I'm looking for that distance. So it's basically 100 minus the 40, and that will be 60 kilometers. Okay. Number C. At which two places does the car stop? Oh, can you see there? Oh, my ruler. It stops there and it stops there. So it stops at Padstal and at Utawi, because you see the horizontal lines there. Okay, number D. For how long does the car stop in Utawi? Now, it's just 1 block, and 1 block was 15 minutes, so we can just say 15 minutes. Or, I think even because they don't specify, 15 divided by 60, so it's 0.25 hours. Okay, and then the next one, number E. What does the car, okay, when does the car arrive at Padstal? Okay, there it arrives at Padstal. Can you see? At 11 o'clock. Okay, and then the second one, arrive back in Otjiwarongo. Okay, Utawi going back. Now remember, that's 15 minutes. There's 13, so it will arrive 13:15 back in Otjiwarongo. And then the last one, number F. Let's just move it up a little bit. Okay, number F, the first one. What is the speed from Otjiwarongo to Padstal? Okay, where is it? From Otjiwarongo to Padstal. So it's this line. They want that speed. Now, what is speed? Speed is distance divided by time. Now, what was the distance? It's 40 kilometers. Can you see that? And the time is 1 hour. So it's, remember, this is kilometers and this is hours. So it's 40 kilometers per hour. Very slow. Okay, then the second one. From Padstal to Utawi. So I think this one will be Padstal to Utawi. So again, speed is distance. I have to move up. Distance divided by time. Okay, let's just make that time better. Okay, what is the distance? We already determined that that distance was 60. Can you remember? Divide by. Now, what is the time? It's from here, okay, and it's up to there. Now, can you see? It's just 2 blocks, so it's just 30 minutes. But you have to express it as hours, so divide by 60. Oh, let's just redo that one. To get it to hours. And remember to press it on the calculator. 60 divide bracket 30 divided 60, close the bracket, equals, and that is going to be 100. Oh, let's just rewrite. 120 kilometers per hour. Okay. And then the last one. Okay. From Utawi to Otjiwarongo. From Utawi to Otjiwarongo. Again, remember, speed is distance. Okay, I have to move up and see if the pen writes better. So it's, oh, let's just get the pen. Distance divided by time. So let's just see, what is my distance? Now my distance is 100. Do you all agree? And then what is my time? My time is now from here. Remember, the car starts, so it's this one, it's this one, it's this one. So it starts there and it ends there. Count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just 1 hour. And that is going to give me just 100 kilometers per hour. And that's going to be the speed from Utawi to Otjiwarongo.